Okay, assalamualaikum everyone. Okay, let's discuss about our third class. It's a recap video. So you need to let's create a new file. Just click here. Then if you want to rename the file name, just click here. Let's make it Remal. Then just click create. Okay, once you create it, you will see this is your file. Okay. So yeah, in previous class we have completed our spot healing tool, healing bus tool, brush tools, clone stem tools, eraser, magic wand tools, and in this class we are going to start with gradient tool. Okay, so okay, let's get it started. Okay, first of all, if you want to know about gradient tool, you need to know if you want to know about gradient tool, you have idea about gradient. What is gradient? Gradient is one kind of color masking. Let's see what is gradient. If you don't know anything else, just go to Google and search. You will find the proper answer. Okay, and nowadays there are lots of AI. You can ask them like ChatGPT and other tools. Okay, as you can see here, if you check this image, this is not a one color image, right? This is blue, this is green light, and this is also white. So there are almost three color. One is this, second one is this, third one, this is the color mixing. So what is gradient? Gradient is one kind of color mixing. As you can see, it looks more attractive. Okay, so you can also do the same thing. Okay, if you want to draw a gradient, I always prefer you to create a new layer. So we have already idea how to create a new layer. Just click here, plus icon, then you will see a new layer added. So yeah, let's select this one. Okay, if I draw from, as you can see here, top to bottom, you'll see the color. As you can see, mixing color 1, color 2, and color 3. If you check the top part, you will see this is the color 1, that means this one. This is the color 2, that means this one, and this is the color 3, that means this one. So 3 color mixed. Okay, if you want to change this one, okay, you can go here like this, double click on it, then you will see there are lots of preset. If you want to draw a purple, as you can see here, purple, then click OK, then draw a new one. As you can see now, it's like this. As you can see, this there is a style. As you can see, this is one kind of a scale, right? Scale. So if you want to change this style, as I already told you, if you go each and every tools, the top bar menu will be changed. If I go to the move tools, it will be changed. So I am now in gradient tool. That means there are new option, as you can see here. So let me change this style. This is the current style that we have. Let's change this one to this, and let's draw it. Okay, let me delete this one, draw a new layer. Okay, let's change this style to this, and let's try. As you can see here, now it's changed. Okay, it's a linear. Okay, if you want to start from here, you can draw this like this. If you start from here, you can draw this. If you start from this corner, just start your pointer from this to this. If you want to start from here, just start your pointer from this to this. Okay, like this, like this. If you want to change this style, you may just click here, gradient style. Then, as you can see here, it will start from the center. As you can see here, this is gradient. This one, this is start from the corner. So as you can see, it is start from the corner and it's glowing like this, right? So there are lots of style. You may also take this style. As you can see here, this is another style. Okay, so if you need any gradient of your background, you can use this. So let me show you some design related to gradient. Color, poster. You will see lots of poster. As you can see there, they are using this one. Okay, this is the thing. And plain bucket tool, that means this is one color. If you want to fill anything in one color, so let me take a one. As you can see, my foreground color set in this color. Let's change it to this color. Let's say I want to change this white color in one color, like in one solid color. You just need to click here, it will be changed. As you can see here, it's changed. Okay, if you change this one, let's say, as you can see now it's changed. So it will always take the foreground color. If I change this color to this, you just need to click one click. As you can see now it's changed into one color. This is the paint bucket tool, and this is a 3D. Just skip this one for now. Okay, this is not related to our current class. This is related to 3D materials. We are not going to cover 3D materials, okay, in our course. So skip it for now. So this is the thing. If you want to draw a gradient, you can just draw from here, and then you can change. There are lots of ready-made preset. You just need to go ahead and if you want to create your own color, so you can do this. Just go to window, then gradient option. Let's say I want to change. Okay, I want to make my own color. Okay, I want to change this one. So how can I do this? Just okay, cancel. As you can see, you can change here. You can also change properties option. Yeah, okay, let me close this one. Let's delete this one. Okay, let's scroll up, double click on it. Then as you can see here, let's say I want to change this color to my own color like this. You can take this, let's change it to blue color like this. If you want to add another color, you just need to click here. Another color will be added. Let's like this, double click on it. Then let's change it to this. Then this is the styles gradient type. Okay, then if you hit OK, as you can, new style is added. Okay, so let's click OK. Let's draw a new. As you can see now, it's created according to my preset that I created in my own way. So if you want to create a new one, just double click on it. You can do this. Okay, you can change the you can create your own custom gradient. Okay, this is the way that you can change. I hope you understand. Okay, so yeah, let's talk about the next tool, which is blur tool. Blur means if you want to blur something else from your image, you can use the blur tool. Okay, as you can see here, this is my cat and this is the fish. So let's say I want to blur this fish. So let me increase this is one kind of brush. I am now in blur tool. Let's duplicate the layer. Okay, then I'm drawing like this. It will make more blur. Let's do it within an image so you will understand. Okay, as you can see here, this is my background. Let's say I want to blur this one, only this trees area. So I'm taking a new layer to see the before and after. Okay, then let's go to blur tool. Then as you can see, I'm drawing my brush. Now it's look like DSLR image. Whenever you're taking image in DSLR, it will be something like this, one kind of portrait image. It also depends on aperture mode on your DSLR. If you have idea, you know that. As you can see here, this is the before and after. This is the before then after. So you can use blur tool to blur someone else, maybe from your image, maybe someone your family members, or someone would be your friends you want to blur from your image. You can use this one. Sharper means it will make your image more and more sharper. Okay, As you can see, let me open this one. Let's see. As you can see here, let's draw this one. It will make the face more sharper. There is some blurry effect, so I'm drawing my brush to make this image more sharper. So sometimes you will get low quality image or blur types image, so in that case you can sharpen your image. Okay, for this image I think this looks good, but after working with sharper you will see the difference. This is a before and after, before and after. This is a before and after. So it will sharp your image more and more. This is the thing. Okay, this is the before then after, before then after. This is the sharper tool. Then smooth tool is just smooth your image. Okay, it's one kind of mixing. Now let's make applicate the layer. So if I use this mouse tool, oh no, there's close this one. Okay, let's go back into this mouse tool. As you can see here, it will mouse your face or something else with the related color. As you can see here, after using this mouse tool, it will get only this color and this color. This color takes from my from my hairs, and this color also takes from my eyes, sorry, from my face. So it will mouse only color of your image. Okay, edit, then revert option. Where is revert option? So as you can see here, if you check this one, and always remember that Photoshop always works on the color. Okay, it will maximum time it will works on the color. If I have 3 types of color on my image, it will work on 3 types of colors. Okay, it will depends on color things. So as you can see here, for this image, this hair has his own color. Okay, eye has another color, face have another color. So whenever I use mouse tool, it will mix all of this color together. So if I go here, then if I use this one, as you can see here, it will mouse all of this color together. Okay, like this, as you can see here. So if I want to mouse from this part, as you can see here, it will mouse this one like this. This is not necessary, but sometimes again, if you want to remove someone else, or if you want to hide something, you can use this one. Okay, this is the thing. Let's talk about the next tool, which is the main tool of one kind of important tool, most important tool. So if you check our poster, design, okay, you will see in the maximum poster, you will see one kind of similar things. Let's check this one. This is shapes, this is another shapes. Okay, if you open this one, you will see this is another shapes, this is another shapes. So this is all about shape. This is come from here, rectangle. So if you draw a rectangle, you will see, as you can, this is a rectangle, and each and every shapes have their solid color and stroke color. If you do not have this one properties panel, just go to window, then click here, it will be appear. So if you want to change this color, okay, that means solid fill color, just double click on it, then you can change it, as you can see here from here. you can change this color. If you want to add some stroke means one kind of border, you can go here, then you can add like this. As you can see here, this is the border. You can do the same thing from the top area. As you can see here, I can change my stroke. Okay, I can change my stroke style like this. Okay, I can make the stroke rounded. As you can see here, if you have Photoshop 2021 version, it would be, you will get this option, this, you know, this type of option. Okay, then you can carve your rectangle like this. As you can see here, you can carve it like this, more and more like this. So let's say I want to draw another one, which is ellipse. You can draw ellipse, which means like this. Then if you want to increase and decrease the stroke color, you can do this. Okay, so yeah, so this is you know, rectangle. There is also polygon tool. You can draw the polygon tool. Okay, I hope you understand the thing. You can also draw a line. You can add some custom shapes like this. You can change shapes from here, or you can download some shapes from internet as well, like this. So yeah, that's it from this class 3. Maybe in the next class we will talk about text tool, type tool, and the others tool. Okay, I will assign your assignment on Google Classroom. Just do my assignment 3, and yeah, that's it from today. Thank you, everyone.